out sampling in the St. Lucie Estuary. We go out 4 times a year and sample in 15 different sites around the estuary as part of a long-term monitoring program. We look for what are benthic invertebrates. Most of the things that we see in this area are polychaetes or worms, as well as bivalves and amphipods, all kinds of crustaceans. It's really interesting to see how different areas can be, even though it's soft sediment. It spans a wide range of salinities in this area, as well as we get a lot of impacts from Lake Okeechobee, and that shows us a lot of bad things that can happen when people affect their environment. When we go out for this project, we use a Ponar and a sieve, and we drop the Ponar, it's spring-loaded and closes on the bottom, picking up about the first 5 centimeters of sediment off the bottom. It's then sieved to 500 microns in the field, and we put it in jars and dye it in formalin and rose bangle, which makes it a lot easier to pick out when we get back to the lab. We also use something called an Ogeechee Corer, and that gives us the first 5 centimeters of sediment as well, but much more specific, and it allows us to get things like water content and organic content when we get back to the lab. My favorite part is seeing the difference between areas inside Indian River Lagoon proper, which are full saltwater, and areas in St. Lucie Estuary that are estuarine conditions all the way to freshwater. It can be very different ecosystems and include very different animals. The whole reason we're doing it is for change. I mean, we want the ecosystem to get back to where it was, and the point of our project is to show that it's not as healthy as it could be. If anything, just pay attention to what you're putting in the water and get involved with the Lake Okeechobee projects.